window. Remember that one. Then we are going to basidiomycetes. And the basidiomycetes, you just look at here. Especially bracket, example bracket fungi, it is also called bracket fungi or puffballs. In that edible mushroom, agaricus. Smut disease caused by Ustilago. Rust disease caused by Pachynia. Especially in the basidiomycetes, in their life cycle, here two types of mycelium are present. Promycelium or primary mycelium, and second one is secondary mycelium. So what is the difference between primary mycelium and secondary mycelium? In the primary mycelium, only uninucleate condition, that is unicellular. Whereas secondary mycelium, dinucleate condition, dinucleate. So for example, primary mycelium, so this one is the, here especially basidiospores are formed. Basidiospores. How basidiospores? I will tell, first look at here. So this is one basidiospore, this is the another basidiospore. Each basidiospore forms uninucleated primary mycelium. So this is uninucleated. This is plus nuclei and this one is minus nuclei. This is the primary mycelium. Slowly this nuclei and that nuclei fuse, plus cell and minus cells are fused to form a dikaryotic mycelium. Now this is the dikaryotic mycelium. So this is secondary mycelium. So primary mycelium containing only one nuclei, secondary mycelium containing two nuclei. Now this is the secondary mycelium, forms a bulb-like structure. This is the bulb-like structure. Now I can write the bulb like this. So the bulb-like structure containing stalk. The stalk part is called stipe. This is the stipe. Okay, their fruiting body is present, fruit-like body. In between fruit-like body and the stalk means the stipe, their annulus is present. The junction part is called annulus. I am taking this umbrella structure like this one. When you observe in this annulus, umbrella-shaped structure, fruiting body, their gills-like structures are present. Gills. When you observe with microscope these gills, there each cell containing two nuclei, that is called trama. That is called trama. Now the trama forming new cells with two nuclei. Dikaryotic, always dikaryotic. So dikaryotic. Okay. So two nuclei. It is a sexual reproduction, no asexual spore formation. No asexual spore formation in basidiomycetes. Only sexual reproduction. So two nuclei are there. This is called subhymenium. Subhymenium. Now subhymenium forms on one more cells, that is called hymenium. So trama forming subhymenium forms hymenium. Now the hymenium develops a bulgy structure. They are called basidia. They are called basidia. Now into the basidia, these two nuclei, plus and minus nuclei are entering. Now these two nuclei are fused to form diploid nuclei. The diploid nuclei undergo meiotic division to form four haploid spores. These spores are called basidiospores. So the next division, Deuteromycetes fungi. Deuteromycetes fungi is also called imperfect fungi because their sexual reproduction till now no one discovered. So after discovery of sexual reproduction, this Deuteromycetes fungi may placed in Ascomycetes or in Basidiomycetes. Like Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, the cell, when you observe their septate branched structures, no cenocytic condition. Examples look at their Alternaria, Colitotrichum, Trochoderma. Mainly Deuteromycetes members are decomposers. Their mainly asexual reproduction takes place by conidia. You know, the conidia are formed on conidiophore. The conidiophore, these are the conidia. Conidia are formed in basipetal manner. So this is the kingdom fungi. Thank you to all.